Bom dia, familia. I'm Kefas. Welcome to our road trip from Luanda to Huambo, Benguela. We had a wonderful time. The trip to Benguela and Huambo was amazing. There's so much to see. The nature, the mountains. Angola is truly amazing. Enjoying the trip.
Lovely countryside, beautiful drive, having a great time. Potholes though, you've not seen potholes, so you seen potholes in Africa. Actually, that's not true, but you got to be careful driving some of these roads if you don't know it, you can tear up your car. He blew out a tire on the way here, but aside from that, beautiful weather, beautiful countryside, very scenic, so I'm having a great time.
This is our main man, Mr. Lito, businessman, entrepreneur, military man, everything you need. Hey, by the way, did you know that gas in Angola is freaking cheap? Per liter, you will pay 31 cent euros. That is 32 cent American dollars. Man, that's freaking cheap. Coming from the West, we know what we're paying for gas. Here we arrived in the city of Huambo. It's a very beautiful city. It's not that packed like Luanda. As you can see, beautiful scenery, clean, beautiful people. It's Angola. Here we are at a land of 100 hectares where one of Angolan partner is planning to develop a new neighborhood, a complete new community. It will have housings, restaurants, stores, schools, etc. So we went there and he showed us the land, beautiful land, a lot of space. I loved it. So if you're interested in investing in Huambo, let us know. 'Cause there's a lot to do. Beautiful sunsets in Angola. I always enjoy the sunsets. It's very warm, romantic. It's pull me in. I can just stare at it for hours. So we spent a whole day in Huambo. The next day we continued our trip towards Benguela and the scenery was amazing. A lot of mountains, a lot of greens, very beautiful. Angola is an amazing place. And after a few hours we arrived at one of the factories from our partner in Angola where they make bricks. And they make these bricks by hand. And as you can see, this brother, who is an albino, what we call in Kikongo Ndundu, is making the brick by hand. And later on, it will be burned in the oven. If you are one who wants to invest in Angola, our partner is looking for a brick making machine so that they can make more bricks in a short amount of time. Let me know. Send me an email. That is the back side of the factory. As you can see, there's a lot of land, a lot of space. What are we looking at?
What we're looking at is a termite mound where they secrete like saliva and they mix it with the clay or the soil to form a clay, and they build these towers that is actually very, how would I say, temperature regulated. The way the structure is formed, that it maintains a constant temperature, because this is very insulating, and as you can see, it's very brittle. But if you look on the inside, you will see all the different holes where the termites made passages throughout it. And sometimes you'll find where these things are huge, like little mountains, taller than you.
This is a 5,000 hectare land. It's being used for wood production and charcoal. It's a huge land, and if you're interested in importing, let us know. Dit is at the factory where they do the packing of the charcoal. It's a huge space. Visit our website or send us an email to learn more about what we are doing in Angola and how you can get involved. We are building the Angola of the future, and we need your participant to make it a reality. Thank you. Obrigado.